Are you over 40 and feeling like it's too late to start making money online? Think again. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money online even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need any tech skills, prior experience or huge investments to get started. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage your existing skills with online freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online, especially if you already have skills in writing, graphic design, data entry, or even customer service. Websites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com and Freelancer.com allow you to create a profile and offer your services to a global audience. Even if your skills aren't tech focused, you'd be very surprised how much demand there is for admin tasks, proofreading, or even personal assistance. I recommend that you start by identifying what you're good at or enjoy doing. Maybe you've spent years managing projects, doing sales, or even online tutoring. There are online platforms looking for talent just like yours. I suggest that you create a very compelling profile and set competitive prices initially to build your reputation and collect those first few 5-star reviews. This will help you gain some momentum and increase your rates as your experience starts to grow. Let me give you an example. A former secretary at 45 began freelancing as a virtual assistant on Upwork.com. With no formal tech skills, she leveraged her years of administrative experience and now earns over $3,000 a month working from home. Your skills are highly valuable and freelancing is the fastest way to monetize them online. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to start a blog or YouTube channel around your passions or your expertise. Blogging or creating a YouTube channel is a great way to make money online, especially if you're passionate about a topic. Whether it's cooking, fitness for over 40, personal finance, or even travel tips, there's an audience out there waiting for your unique perspective. The key is consistency. I recommend you create highly valuable and highly engaging content regularly. Once you start building an audience, you can then monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or even using sponsored content. I suggest that you focus on a niche that you love and that you can talk about endlessly, and something that has a lot of demand in the marketplace. For example, if you love cooking, you could start a YouTube channel with easy recipes for busy parents. I recommend that you share your personal tips and tricks and don't worry about being perfect. Authenticity often beats perfection every time. I suggest that you use tools like the Google Trends to find popular topics within your niche and then create content around what people are actually searching for online. Let me give you an example. A 50-year-old woman who loved gardening started a YouTube channel sharing gardening tips for small spaces. She quickly gained followers, and within a year she was earning through YouTube ads and sponsorships from gardening brands. Her advice: just start and your audience will then find you. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to launch an online course or an ebook. If you have knowledge and expertise or a passion that you can teach others, creating an online course or an ebook can be a fantastic income stream. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it very easy to create and sell your knowledge without needing to be a tech wizard. Your course doesn't need to be complex. It can be as simple as teaching basic Excel skills, photography for beginners, or how to declutter your home. I recommend that you create content that addresses a specific problem or a specific pain point and offer clear, actionable solutions. I then suggest you break your topic down into easy to digest sections or chapters and include real-world examples to make it relatable. If creating a full course sounds rather daunting to you, I suggest you start with a simple ebook and expand later based on the feedback that you get. Let me give you an example. A man in his late 40s created a course on managing time for busy professionals, based on his years of corporate experience. It started as a side project, but within months, he was making a steady income from online course sales, eventually turning his passion into a full-time online business. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to get into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and services and earning a commission for every sale which is made through your unique referral link. It's a great way to make money without creating your own products. I recommend that you start by finding products that you genuinely use and that have good recommendations. Amazon Associates, ClickBank and Share a Sale are some great affiliate programs and places to find products that you can promote. And you can integrate affiliate links into blogs, YouTube videos, and even social media posts on Instagram and TikTok. Now, to help you be successful, I suggest that you focus on building trust with your audience. I recommend that you share honest reviews, create very helpful tutorials, or you can even offer insights into how the product can solve their problems and their pain points. For instance, if you're in the fitness niche, you can promote exercise equipment or supplements that you've tried and tested. Now let me give you an example. A 42-year-old fitness enthusiast started a blog and began promoting her favourite exercise gear and health supplements. By embedding affiliate links within her content, she started earning passive income that grew with her audience. The secret is to choose products that align really well with your niche and provide real value to your audience and your followers. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to sell handmade crafts or vintage finds on Etsy. If you have a creative side, turning your hobby into a business on Etsy can be a very profitable venture. Whether it's handmade jewellery, vintage decor, custom art, or even personalised gifts, there's a market for unique items. Etsy caters specifically to handmade and vintage products, making it the perfect platform if you want to showcase your creativity. I recommend that you take high quality photos of your products and you write very detailed descriptions and use relevant keywords to help your listings really stand out. Customer service is key, so ensure you communicate clearly with buyers and ship items promptly. I recommend offering custom orders or personalised touches, which can also set you apart from other sellers on Etsy. Now let me give you an example. A 48-year-old retired teacher with a passion for knitting started selling handmade scarves on Etsy. She quickly gained a following by offering customisable colours and sizes, turning her once hobby into a steady income stream. It's never too late to start selling your creativity online. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to create a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a low-risk business model where you can sell custom designs on items like t-shirts, mugs and phone cases without handling any inventory. I recommend that you use platforms like Printful or Teespring to design products and connect them to your online web store. Now when someone orders, the product is printed and shipped directly to the customer and you earn a profit on each sale. I recommend that you get creative with your designs. Think of catchy phrases, motivational quotes, or niche specific humour that would appeal to your target audience. I then recommend that you use tools like Canva to design graphics, even if you're not a designer. You don't need to be a graphic artist to succeed. I suggest that you focus on relatable, funny, or inspiring content that people would love to wear or even use. Now let me give you an example. A 52-year-old woman who loved coffee started a print-on-demand store selling mugs with humorous coffee quotes. Her fun and relatable designs struck a chord with her audience, leading to steady sales and a growing business. Remember, the right design can turn simple products into must-haves. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is to invest in low-cost dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to run an e-commerce store without holding any inventory. You sell products through your website, and when a customer places an order, your supplier ships it directly to them. This model minimises risk and startup costs. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make setting up your dropshipping business very easy, even if you have zero experience in e-commerce. I recommend that you focus on finding a profitable niche. I suggest that you research trends and see what's popular on social media, and then select products that have consistent and high demand. You could start with a specific audience like pet owners, fitness enthusiasts, or home organisers. I then recommend you set up your store with high quality images and clear product descriptions and competitive pricing. Now let me give you an example. A 47-year-old dad turned his passion for fitness into an online store selling resistant bands and home exercise gear. By leveraging dropshipping, he kept startup costs low while still offering a wide range of products. He now earns extra income alongside his 9-to-5 job, all from a business he runs from his laptop. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is to offer online coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise or experience in a particular field, offering coaching or consulting services can be highly profitable. You can coach on anything such as career advice, life skills, fitness, business strategy, or even personal finance. People are willing to pay for personalised guidance, especially from someone with real life experience. And being over 40 gives you a unique edge with life and work insights that younger coaches may not have. I recommend that you start by defining your niche and what specific problems you can help solve. I then recommend you create a simple yet professional website or social media page to showcase your services, your testimonials, and your booking options. I then recommend you offer a free consultation to attract clients and demonstrate the value of your coaching. Now let me give you an example. A former HR manager at 50 started a consulting service to help professionals with resume writing and job interview preparation. Her personalised coaching sessions have helped dozens of clients land jobs, and she now makes more as a consultant than she did in her corporate role. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to become an online tutor or teach English. Online tutoring is a flexible way to make money, especially if you enjoy teaching or you have expertise in a particular subject. Platforms like VIP Kid, Wiseant, or Tutor.com connect you with students worldwide looking for help in maths, science, languages, or even music. Teaching English as a second language, ESL, is a particularly popular, and you don't need a teaching degree. You just need a good command of English and a passion for helping others. I recommend that you create a profile that highlights your skills, your experience, and your enthusiasm for teaching. I suggest that you be patient and build relationships with your students. Word of mouth can quickly grow your client base. You can even offer tutoring services privately on Zoom to maximize your earnings. Now let me give you an example. A 55-year-old retired engineer started tutoring math and science online. What began as a simple side hustle now provides a steady stream of income, with students booking months in advance. If you've got knowledge to share, tutoring is a very rewarding way to make money online at any age. Okay, so there you have it, 9 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.